in the pine trees. We can keep our secrets buried underneath. Wildflowers crush between your fingers, clinging to the wild things that raised us. Compass point you home, calling out from the east.
So today was just like the first part of starting this because I don't have the airlift yet. So what we
It comes tomorrow.
Yeah, hopefully. So today we just set out the MDF board. That's only mainly used for the subwoofer. And then I don't know where you put the wood pieces.
The wood pieces are up here. But basically this is what lays on the frame. And it's all cut out and notched so it just fits right in super snug. This is for the sub. These are for your compressor lines. And then this is for your tank. And then on top of that we have to snap all these pieces in that are cut and stuff. It was kind of a pain, but in the end it looks pretty good. I don't know what happened to that board, but here's what the
next thing we're gonna do is get some weather stripping. We did that for the sub so it wouldn't rattle, and since we don't have the MDF board drilled into the frame, we're just gonna run like foam.
Trying to cook a motherfucking damn ham a fucking sandwich
all the time. But this is how confusing the Accuair is. Like you got your relays and you got your control module and stuff that runs to all these sensors. You got this that runs to the bags itself. We also have our amp set up here. So it's kind of like there's a lot of wiring, but the amp's really just kind of separate from that. There's not that many wires.
Yeah, this is the only wire that comes off and then goes to the sub. So it's really good.
Kind of very complicated. That's kind of why Accuair, you kind of want to stay away if you're not very good with wiring.
Okay guys, so
No! Hey guys!
as promised, we got the AIRLIFT V2.
I don't know, let's just do like a good intro. Like,
Hey guys, welcome back to the videos. Bro, what are you doing? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing AIRLIFT V2 install, and we're ditching the Accuair Accuair. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, subscribe, like, comment below. Today we're gonna be doing the AIRLIFT V2. We're ditching the Accuair E-level. So we'll see how it works out, and then we'll probably get a video if you guys want it, like the comparison and whatever you guys want. But right now we're gonna do the unboxing. Got the fucking instruction, installation guide. Definitely gonna need that because we're fucking clueless how to do shit. Fuck yeah. Here's our harness. This might be our secondary harness. Oh no, this is a regular harness. That's for the color and shit. Okay, here's some fucking zip ties.
Shit, fuck. Elephant penis stuck in a kitten, covered in crack ho shit. Horse intestines baked in a casserole, served to some preschool kids. Niggers, kikes, picks, slants, and gooks, let's not give.
Whatever, fucking filter drain hose, we don't need that. Fuck that. Yeah! Woo! Yep, here's a secondary harness. This won't be too bad, honestly. See, they're all labeled too. If you guys notice, when you get E-level, oh, what the fuck is this? Oh, that's probably the controller and shit. Oh,
No.
that's a fucking controller.
fuck yeah! Open that up, open that up.
Alright, boy.
Alright, so all you have to do to install the AIRLIFT compared to the Accuair is you just unplug the controller right here. You unplug it and you just plug in the AIRLIFT controller and then you have AIRLIFT. So if that's how you're wondering, just kidding.
Dude, feel the buttons.
Fuck,
Feel them,
dude.
click them.
Oh, that feels good.
That's
It's like a, I want to say suppressed or like, that feels really
yeah.
good. Looks like you have some fuse wires right here.
That's not for fuse purposes.
It says right there, fuse.
Okay, another thing different about Accuair versus the AIRLIFT is like everything's labeled.
Okay, you had it right. You just said it the weird way.
Okay, whatever. Like this says like compressor ground, We got battery, ground, battery power.
Like everything's super labeled. Well, if you look in this, it's probably gonna be hard to see right now. Everything is such a mess because nothing is labeled. We just kind of like, we know what we were doing and all. But look at this. How do you deal with all this? Like, AIRLIFT is way better than Accuair on the side of leveling. 3H also has the sensors, so like you really can't compare like this V2 system compared to the E level because they're two different systems. But as far as wiring goes, AIRLIFT wins in every way. It's way more simpler. Like the Accuair is super complex and stuff.
Oh yeah, I got that new manifold, bro.
ECU. Yeah, there's a thumbnail.
Oh, we got some fittings.
Hey, wait. Let's get a thumbnail. Update of where we're at so far. We didn't want to do a video on like all the installation because it's kind of no point in doing that. But just to give you guys an update, we started taking out all the Accuair components. We have all the switch wiring right here. It looks like a mess, but basically we gotta get like the compressors and like the power lines running off those that connect to the Accuair ECU. We have to like take those off because we're gonna be putting onto the AIRLIFT harness and stuff. And then he's working on the wiring up front from the battery that taps into the ignition. So for now, we're just taking out each of the pieces. As you can see here, we got all like the stuff disconnected there. So quick little update. Just want to keep you guys updated. So next video, hopefully we'll have it all done. If we run into any problems, we'll probably post a little update. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe and like the video and comment if you haven't already.
Battery and ground up there though.
So we wanted to update you guys again. We have not ran into any problems yet, but as you can see, we've cleared a lot more stuff out since that last. Oh my god. Someone's excited. So what we just cleared out was this harness that ran to like all the sensors and stuff, and then the main power and stuff, everything. Yeah, you can just see like this is not even half the wiring, and this one cord is basically all the wiring to the AIRLIFT. So
it would be one cord, but we have two cords because we have
we have two compressors. So but as far as that goes, our compressors and stuff are disconnected. The air's out, like there's nothing's connected. That's why he's slam sauce right now. This is right high actually, if you were wondering. We got all of our grounds and stuff disconnected.
That ground might be for the.
This is sub.
Yeah. Okay, so we put that.
This one right here is.
Run the ground for that, and then link this into the pink wire. And then
so right now, what we have to do is take this wire, which has all these labels on it, and we have to follow this orange wire, which leads all the way up to the car, up to the battery, and, like basically ties into the ignition and stuff. So we're gonna be doing that right now.
Bro, this is so easy.
Yeah, I know. We'll flash it back as soon as we start getting more of it completed.
Bro.
But in the future, drop a comment down below and also like this video to let us know that you would like to see a review on the AIRLIFT versus Accuair or whatever you want to see. How to work AIRLIFT controller, how that works, if whatever you guys want to see. So
go to give all these niggas hell, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I love that you. Toes, ooh, for your boo. Baby, wish me well, wish me well. It's all a dream, just like a wishing well. To give them hell, and you know that I live in hell. I live in hell, I'm hell, boy, I live in hell. I let the money dance.
Hey guys, a little update right now. Got this heater going because it's fucking cold as shit. But we ran our two lines. We have our regular harness, and then this is our secondary harness. If you guys can see, we ran it back. Followed our power line for get my phone. Followed the power line for the subwoofer, and here's the wires. We have them coming out here because we haven't gone through the side or the firewall yet. That's our next step, is just to follow that and go up through the firewall. And then we gotta run the ignition just right into this fuse right here. Just gotta snip that because that was for the Accuair. Alright.
Okay, so we're probably gonna get some hate for this in the comments, but we literally just wired this super ghetto. Do not turn it over yet. If you can't see it, we have wires everywhere. But right now, we just want to see if if like the controller and shit will work. Because if it does, that means all we have to do is like fix air management, like our wiring management and shit. So yeah, clean it up. So we got everything connected. Where's the controller?
Should we try it?
Okay. So what we're hoping is nothing explodes.
Well, the compressor should turn on.
Okay,
should we try it?
So just big. We finished the install. Everything's working good. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
Okay,
we need 1,000. I think we're at.
Okay, what?
How do I look?
Pretty overexposed, but
oh, pretty overexposed. Okay, let's check out live subscriber count. Is it going?
Yeah. Been going. You had to go.
Oh, that's right.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. We're at 497 subscribers right now, so hit that sub button if you haven't already. We gotta make it to 1,000 by summer. That's our goal. So let's make that happen. We got the Golf R front end bumper conversion kit video coming soon. So basically, we got all the bags installed. As you can see, we're still kind of tightening everything up. That's why Justice is in right now. But right now, we're just gonna be fixing the sub wire. Nothing special, but we didn't film an outro. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like the video if you want to see more of it. Comment down below what the best and worst part was. If you're a Devin and Amelia fan, hit that dislike button. Peace out. Keep moving forward.